Hello, Sabaidi. Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys this beautiful flower bouquet and the flower wreath that these are handmade by our special talented sister เอ้ยตุ้นเนาะมื้อนี้เนาะ
แม่นแล้ว
สบายดี look what she made guys so tomorrow is gonna be the day of the funeral so she took her time she's here all day today making this special wreath to decorate for the funeral
Okay.
so she did a really good job if you see over here what she's done so far look these are real flower from the onlook they don't look real but these are actually real flower I think what's the name of this flower dandelion or something oh marigold sorry marigold these are the flower and then อันนี้เป็น white rose เนาะ this is white rose and then อันนี้ก็เป็น white carnation
ดอกดาวเฮือง
โอ้ดอกมันอย่างก็
ดาวเฮือง
ดอกดาวเฮือง oh the sister said มันเป็นดอกดาวเฮืองอันนี้ in American it's called marigold right marigold so these are real flowers guys and then here's some of the things here's some of the wreath that she does this is yellow rose white carnation yellow rose and then coming over here the heart shape wreath this is this look like a heart shape อันนี้ก็เป็น this is yellow rose white rose and then the color really pops out right when you do this and then look over here อันนี้ก็เป็น look at this really nicely designed bouquet so the theme color is yellow and white right so yellow and white theme color and then so this is what they do อ๋ออันนี้ก็เป็นป้าบรพาแล้วก็เป็นดีไซเนอร์ she was she was here since last night มันบอก last night she worked so hard
4 days on straight ละ
oh 4 days straight ยังประทันรับทั้งนอนเถื่อ she did not sleep yet because she is so worried that she never get it done so today is the last day and because tomorrow มันเป็นมือสำคัญมือfuneral day เนาะ so they spent all day today all day yesterday for 4 days คือเจ้ามาเฮ็ด so this one if you don't know how to do it it's gonna be difficult it look easy but it's not so these two ladies คือเจ้าเป็น very talented so you have to think in advance before you do this because you have to think in your mind like what color you're gonna need and how you're gonna put in if you don't think ahead of time it's gonna be hard right so it's not easy it look easy but it's not easy and then Tun she have done this before in the past so to her it's easy but for us it's not right because she's a professional เด้มันเป็นเราเป็น very talented
ย่อง
expert
ใส่แล้วไปสิ
oh บอกประเด็นย่องเด้อไม่ความจริง
ความจริง
it's
เนาะ
it's for real she's a real talented florist and you know what you guys she also own a restaurant called Thai Lao in Hercules come check it out okay เราเป็น owner ร้านอาหารอยู่เมือง Hercules so you guys if you guys want to meet her come over there to her restaurant it's called Thai Lao restaurant Thai Lao restaurant in Hercules มันบอก so what kind of food
โอ้
you
ลาว
guys
ไทย
oh I'm sorry oh sorry Lao Thai restaurant Lao Thai restaurant in Hercules เนาะ so what kind of food do you guys do over there
โอ้ตอนนี้สัมภาษณ์ยังบ่ได้เธอเด้ออาหารลาวฟูดบักหลายแต่ตอนนี้เอาดอกไม้ก่อนเนาะ
เอาดอกไม้ก่อนโอ้ sorry มือหน้าก็จะไปไทยอยู่ร้านอาหารเรา I'm gonna show you guys what she have in her restaurant but today แมนความเนาะsorry about that guys so today I'm just gonna show you know that what she is doing so this is a heart shape so this green thing right here is a foam and you got this frame อันนี้เป็น plastic frame มันบอก
plastic yeah
even though it's plastic มันหนักเด้อ it's very heavy so once you got this flower on it's it looks light but it's not it's very heavy you see how she layered the flower so these flower is called marigold right it's very this is real flower it's not one of those artificial fake flower it's real flower we always use real flower and then you got to think about what color you want to put on there and what kind of design you want to put on there so it uses a lot of flour not only we use the flower but we also use the stem and the leaf from the flower see that will make it the color all popped out so you not only you have one type of color so you got like 3 kind of color right the green the white and the gold yeah so this is how they do it it looks easy like I said it looks easy but it's not so I'm going to show you around what else they have how many flower they have okay so that's this one over there one over here and this see they finished a lot over here already this one is the big one this one is big the biggest one but these ones are not that big these ones are smaller and the container so we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 no? 15 over there those are the small ones these are the large one got 1 2 3 4 5 and here's more the wheat we're gonna put this wheat on a stand these are gonna go on a stand and here's more flowers that they're gonna use to decorate and put on a wreath so they are not finished yet they're like pretty much halfway done so they're not quite finished yet so once they're done then they're gonna tomorrow they're gonna put it on the stand so it would look really really nice okay guys so I just want to show you you know what these lady could do they are very talented because you know it looks easy but it's not so I just want to show you what it looks like that you know with imagination that they use to design how the flower is gonna go all right thank you so much for watching my channel Thong Chai Di thank you so much see you next time bye bye